So I want to point something out. As the believers pray, they speak that out, and this is actually key for you and I. I want to encourage somebody here today with this verse. And this is kind of what we talked about. In the mystery of trials and persecution or evils that come against us, God's will triumphs over all. And he even uses the enemy's schemes and the enemy against himself. God can work all things together for the good of those who love him and are called according to his purposes. So sometimes we're in this mess of trials and attacks and I don't know what's going on. This is like a blunder to me. And yet, God has a will throughout the whole thing because he sees the end from the beginning in a way that we don't. But as we spend time with him, he starts to reveal his perspective to us. And so this is like a key for as a believer that I think we really need to get. Sometimes we think, oh, I'm going through something, so God has left. He's departed me. I've sinned too greatly, whatever. Could it be that God actually knew that this would happen? Could it be that God knows every detail of your life and he knows the end from the beginning? He knows exactly who's going to come against you. He knows exactly the bondage in your mind. He knows exactly what happened to you in your past. And he somehow has a plan to work all of that stuff together for the good of you because you love him, to train you for your purpose and then send you on your way rejoicing so that he receives glory.